My name is Clara. I'm 28 years old. I've been married to Aaron for 5 years. He just turned 30 this year. He's my husband, a gentle soul with a quiet nature. He speaks softly, thinks before he reacts, and never raises his voice at me. Patience comes naturally to him. He never insults me, never ignores me, and never lets me feel alone. When I fall sick, he becomes my strength. When I'm tired, he brings me food with a smile. He makes tea for me every morning. He cooks dinner when I come home late. He listens when I cry and holds me when I feel weak. He always tells me, "You're strong, Clara. I'm proud of you." Aaron is a good man, a man I sometimes forget to appreciate. I have a stable job in a corporate office. I earn $5,000 a month, a position I reached through long nights of study and countless extra courses. I pushed myself hard to get here, but Aaron still works as a delivery driver. He earns $20 to $100 a month. He works long hours in heat, rain, and cold, returning home exhausted every night. He comes home with aching feet and dust clinging to his shirt, yet he never complains. He simply says, "It's okay, Clara, I like working." But slowly, something changed in me. I began feeling disappointed. I looked at other couples and compared our lives to theirs. I saw women wearing diamonds and designer bags, men buying cars, houses, and luxury gifts. Then I looked at Aaron, wearing the same shoes for 2 years. He never bought new clothes for himself, and he never bought me anything expensive either. I started comparing him to other men, and anger quietly grew inside me. One day I asked him, "Aaron, why don't you aim for something better? Why not start a business?" He lowered his eyes and whispered, "I don't know how." I got irritated. I said, "Other men do it, why can't you?" He stayed silent, like he always does. His sad eyes met mine, but he said nothing. But I didn't stop. I kept comparing him to others. I repeated, "You're not like other husbands." Still, he remained quiet. Aaron sends $1,000 to his parents every month. They're old and sick, and he pays for their medicines. Whatever remains $1,200 he gives to me. But I always said it wasn't enough. I never thanked him. I never appreciated his effort. Not even once. One evening he came home very late. I asked, "Where were you?" He said, "I was looking for another job." I was shocked. I asked, "Did you find one?" He replied, "Not yet, but I'll keep trying." The next day he left early and returned after sunset more exhausted than usual. He didn't smile that day. He barely spoke. A week later he said, "I found a second job. I'll work nights at a restaurant. I'll earn $2,000 more," he added. I said, "Good," but I didn't ask how he felt. I didn't ask if he was okay. Aaron began working both jobs. He woke up before sunrise and spent his entire day and night working. He came home only when I was already asleep. He had no time to talk, no time to laugh, no time to rest. His life became nothing but work. One night he came home and went straight to the bathroom. I heard something fall. I rushed inside. He was sitting on the floor, his face pale, his hands trembling. I screamed, "Aaron, what happened?" He whispered, "I'm just tired. I feel dizzy." I called a cab immediately and rushed him to the hospital. The doctor examined him carefully. The doctor said Aaron was exhausted. His body couldn't handle that much work. He needed rest. He needed sleep. I sat beside his bed and looked at his face. His eyes were closed, and he looked peaceful, yet my heart was breaking. I held his hand and cried. I whispered, "I'm sorry, Aaron. I didn't see how hard you were trying. I didn't understand." He slowly opened his eyes and gave me a faint smile. "Don't cry, Clara," he said softly. "I just wanted to make you proud." His words shattered me. That night, something changed inside my heart. I realized he didn't need to be rich, or wear suits, or drive a luxury car. He didn't need to buy diamonds, or shower me with expensive things. He had already given me something far greater: his love, his peace, his loyalty. He gave me support. He gave me respect. He gave me himself fully, sincerely, and that was enough. More than enough. From that day on, I stopped comparing him to anyone. I stopped complaining. I let go of the things that didn't matter. My heart finally understood what real value was. Now I look at Aaron with new eyes. I see a man who works hard, a man who sacrifices, a man who loves without limits. Aaron is not just my husband, he is my quiet storm, the calm that protects me, and the strength that never leaves my side. If this story touched your heart, then like, share, and subscribe, because sometimes true love doesn't shout, it simply stays quietly forever.